So if you have a data file in Excel format, which is a summarized data file, and you want to use this summarized data file for SPSS analysis, then most cases you cannot use summarized data file in SPSS because SPSS doesn't use summary data file. It uses data file on an individual case basis. So what we need to do is just we need to format this data file, especially if you want to run this data file running an ANOVA table. So what I want to show you is this is how to convert this summarized data file into a purpose for SPSS. So in this data file, what we have is this question come from a textbook, which I given to my students to for their assignment. So what we have here is we have a different type of products, okay, and then we have values for each product consumed, amount of the food in ounces. So what we want to do is so we can create two variables from this summary table. So one variable will be the product. So we have this 5 different products, and then we have the amount consumed. So amount consumed would be our skill variable, the variable we want to test. So we can what we can do for the simplicity right now is we can what we can do is we can simply copy in a separate section. So we can copy right now here on the same sheets for easy. Okay, this is kidney, and next one is the shrimp. This is shrimp, and next one is the chicken liver. I'm doing it just to make simple for us. I mean, there's so many ways we can do this thing. And next is the chicken liver, and third one is the beef. Okay, so here's the beef. So now, of course, as I said, if we use this as now in SPSS, it won't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to call the first column as a kidney. So this will be all this one will be considered as a kidney. So I'm going to call them as a kidney. So first is my kidney, and second one I'm going to call a shrimp. Okay. So what I got here is this. As you can see that I have transformed my my 5 column from Excel summary table to right now just in 2 column. So now there's a few things we can do. We could have saved this data file in a Excel file, or I find it's very easy to simply copy and paste into SPSS. It works perfectly fine. What I got here is SPSS. I'm simply going to copy and paste in SPSS. So you see, I just simply copy and paste it in SPSS. The next thing is very easy. We already know what we have done. So we know that the first column was product. So I'm simply going to call it product. Ounces, and they're both the numeric values. Of course, product doesn't need a decimal values, and of course I can label them as well. Product, the different meat products, and the second one is amount of food. And the measurement for the first is a nominal, and the second one is